Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the on-screen keyboard in Windows 10. The on-screen keyboard is a built-in tool in Windows that lets users type without a physical keyboard. It's a visual keyboard that displays all the standard keys, including letters, numbers, symbols, and special keys like Shift, Ctrl, and Alt. To enable the on-screen keyboard, go into the Windows Start bar and type in Settings. When the Settings dialog window opens up, click on the Ease of Access menu item. Now from this display page, scroll down on the left-hand side menu until you find the section for Interaction. Now click on the Keyboard option. From this screen, click on the On-Off slider located below the Use the on-screen keyboard header. The on-screen keyboard will now display. Now if I want to type in anything using the keyboard, I can just click on each key. Once you finish using the on-screen keyboard, you can simply close it by clicking on the X icon located at the top right of the keyboard. And it's as easy as that. Enabling the on-screen keyboard in Windows 10 is a fairly simple task to perform. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.